And all the control teams around the world have conferred and agreed upon a go for final approach and docking of Johannes Kepler Automated Transfer Vehicle 2 with the International Space Station.
10 meters, range rate 0, target nominal, systems nominal.
Docking coming up in 4 minutes.
Approximate time of motion in start before contact is 41. The go command has been sent. Copy. Range rate is gaining 0.7. 9 meters, 0.6, target nominal, systems nominal. Copy. Reminder about the transition to the monitoring of 4-degree target corridor and also chop command. Copy. 7 meters, 0.4, target nominal. Systems nominal, copy 7 meters, 0.4.
That discussion about the chop command refers to the crew hands-off position. That is the point at which the crew will have to take their hands off of the manual controls that they, up to this point, could still use to dock the ATV if needed. But the automated docking systems are all working well as we're approaching a docking in just about 2.5 minutes from now.
Get 5 meters, 0.7, target nominal. Systems nominal.
5 meters out.
5 meters, 0.7, systems nominal. 1 meter, 0.6, target nominal. Systems nominal, copy 1 meters, 0.6 is the range rate. Three meters, 0.6, target nominal. Systems nominal, copy 3 meters. 0.6 is the range rate. 2.5, 0.7, target nominal, systems nominal, copy.
Johannes Kepler approaching the aft docking port of the Zvezda service module about 0.5 meter per second. You can see the docking target clearly in view in these camera views which show the crosshairs of the vehicle.
Copy.
Chop.
Chop. Copy, chop.
And the chop command has been issued, means that the crew's hands off now from its controls and the automated systems are in control.
Systems nominal. Copy, systems nominal. Standing by for capture. Copy. Are you ready with the ISS stopwatch? Yes.
Yes, Captain.
Contact confirmed. Capture confirmed. Copy, copy.
And at 9:59 a.m. Central Time, the probe and cone docking system connecting the Johannes Kepler Automated Transfer Vehicle to the aft docking port of the Zvezda service module over the Atlantic Ocean.
Copy.
Just southwest of the Liberian coast of the western coast of Africa. And now the Russian solar arrays for the Zvezda service module seen slewing here as they begin to track the sun again. They had been paused to provide the best possible views of the ATV's arrival.
ISS for the laptop.
So a successful docking of Johannes Kepler, the second automated transfer vehicle to provide deliveries to the International Space Station.
393, copy.
A key contribution of the European Space Agency to this international partnership that has seen the space station grow to the size of a 5-bedroom home with a full gym and a bay window and a full crew complement of 6 individuals.